In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a pre-order button on Squarespace. What we're doing here is very simple. We're not creating a complicated new product setting or changing the full checkout process. Instead, we're updating the button text so your customers can clearly see that the item is available for pre-order. This is a quick way to make your product page more informative and help set the right expectations before someone clicks to buy. To get started, log into your Squarespace website dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Products and Services section. This is where you manage the items you sell on your site. Go ahead and click there. Next, select Products so you can view the full list of products currently in your store. You should now see all of your existing items displayed in one place. From here, choose the product you want to update and click on it to open the product editor. Once the product settings are open, you'll be able to edit different parts of that product listing. What you're looking for here is the text field for the button text. This is the area that controls what appears on the purchase button your customers see on the product page. Depending on your store setup, this may currently say something like Add to Cart or a similar default label. In that button text field, simply replace the existing text with pre-order. Make sure it's spelled exactly the way you want it to appear on your site, since this is the wording your customers will see before purchasing. Using clear button text like this is helpful because it immediately communicates that the product is not a standard ready-to-ship item, but something they are reserving in advance. After you've changed the text to pre-order, your update is essentially complete. Your product button will now display that new label, giving customers a clearer understanding of the offer. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, setting up a pre-order button on Squarespace is a very quick edit that can make a big difference in how your product is presented. If you're offering upcoming launches, limited runs, or items that aren't available just yet, this small change can help keep your storefront clear and professional.